Hello, I am sitting here and it has been raining for the past 12 hours. Scratch that. 20 to 15, 17 hours. I'm waiting here in my tent for some clearing in the rain so that I can start hiking again. Don't have anyone to talk to, so I'd say hi to you. Yes, I have tried playing cards and, reading book and sleeping, eating. All of these things, they are good for a while, but begin to wear on the mind. Becoming a little stir crazy. But the sun just peeked out, so we'll see. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and it should be. Well, the sun went back behind the clouds. Anyways, toodles.